Hi everybody, and welcome back to the P8FX channel. This week we will be discussing what's next for Bitcoin. Bitcoin has seen bullish moves of late after suffering a 55% correction from its all-time high of $64,000. In this article, we look into the psychology of market cycles to understand how this might impact future price movements in Bitcoin. The Wall Street cheat sheet psychology of a market cycle is a tool that can be used when trading or investing in stocks, commodities, or cryptocurrencies. A common force to all markets is emotion and largely follow the cycle as described in the cheat sheet. It is generic, not based on any chart, and can be applied to any asset. Let's take a look at Bitcoin in 2017. Here we can see the Wall Street cheat sheet playing out during the 2017 bull run, followed by a corrective phase. Price initially dropped 48% to just above $10,000, and then bullish moves took price back to $17,000. This is the complacency stage in the psychology of a market cycle. At this point, it seemed as though the correction was over, when in fact it had only just begun. Is this the situation we are in now with Bitcoin? In May this year, after an incredible bull run, Bitcoin hit the peak of its cycle at the euphoria stage and then saw a 55% correction. With recent bullish moves, it is easy to say we have completed the correction. However, we're not so convinced that it's over. Previous Bitcoin corrections have lasted an average of 456 days. If the current correction is over, it would have only lasted 100 days, which is a significant difference from previous cycles. When comparing the Bitcoin chart with the Wall Street cheat sheet, there are signs to suggest we are still in the complacency phase. In all likelihood, the duration of this correction isn't adequate, and therefore still some way to go before this is complete. Where are we technically? When analyzing the current Bitcoin chart, we're at a pivotal moment, waiting for price to convincingly hit our Fibonacci retracement area to see where it moves next. Finding reversals at this stage will be crucial. We also have to consider gaps in the Bitcoin CME chart that usually close. Support has been found at around $31,000, and if price breaks through this level, it could close the gaps at lower price levels. So, what now? The only certainty we have with Bitcoin is volatility. Therefore, it is important to remain alert, analyze your chart, and take note of the psychology of market cycles. It is important to understand that all markets go through cycles. These cycles are driven by human emotion. Bitcoin in particular is driven by fear, greed, and speculation. This causes volatility not seen in many other markets. Thank you very much for listening, and we hope this gave you some valuable insights into Bitcoin. Remember, trade safe. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and I'll see you next time.